So for our scope, we have a context model that shows the boundaries of our e-commerce website system, and it shows how each process is connected to each other and how each of them connects back to the center of the diagram, which is the e-commerce website itself. Um, for our use case model, this is the first iteration. Um, we knew that there were several things we had to change, such as having too many actors or incomplete use cases, and even missing a few use cases. Also, we had to rearrange the use cases so that they're pointing at the right actors. So we show that in our final iteration of the use case model. This is the final iteration of the model. We did make those changes. As you can see, we only have two actors now, the customer and the merchant. And we have a bunch of different use cases than before, such as view account information, edit account information, and creating an account for both the customer and the merchant. There's also use cases for reviewing products and reviewing the merchant, and responding to messages and checkout. And there's payment options for after you check out that are included in that checkout process. This is an example of one of the specific use case specifications we had. In this case, this is for view account of the customer. It starts with the ID number and then a brief description of the use case and listing the actors involved and any preconditions that must be true to execute the use case. And then it lists the main flow of that use case and any post conditions that must have happened after executing the use case. At the bottom, there's also a list of alternative flows where any errors or anything that deviates from the original main flow is listed. This slide is a list of features that our e-commerce website should have as part of the requirements in the domain model. Each feature has its own ID and is listed in order of importance.